Go.
G'day, Adam here from Urban Harvest. Our first video today, just running through how to plant up our Grow Your Own Microgreens kit. So, trying to make it as easy as 2-minute needles. There's some instructions that come with this on the back of that piece of paper, but today we'll be running through all the steps with you. Firstly, the kit contains two things: some seed, which we've chosen varieties that are really easy to grow and will give you a fast, consistent crop. It's going to be something that you're going to be successful with. We also grow these seeds ourselves, or at least used to, for the restaurant industry, and we know that they're really good quality seeds and they're going to give you a good quality crop. Next thing is cocoa peat. We use cocoa peat because it's a very consistent product, so you get a consistent outcome and result with it. It's also very mold resistant, which is especially good in microgreens because there's a lot of problems that can come about when you grow micros, especially germinating. So we've also infused this with our custom mix of nutrient, so the micros get a nice little bit of an extra boost when they grow, so you get a really healthy, robust, thick crop. And it also means that all you need to do is add water, which makes it really simple. And you only need to add it once as well, which makes it really convenient. So you can essentially just, anytime you want, you can just empty out the cocoa peat like this, add some water. Now, before we add water, we just make sure it's nice and firm, and it's about a centimetre down from the top of the container here. 250 mils of water, or 1 cup. Just try and do it gently so you don't upset the surface too much, but even if you do upset the surface, once you're finished with the water, just go in and pat it down. Make it nice and flat again. Doesn't have to be perfect, but there you go. Next thing is seed. Just crack open the packet like that. Let them run out, just give it a bit of a shake and just go backwards and forwards. Fill up the whole tray. Just focus on the areas that don't have many, and eventually they'll all come out. Don't worry too much if it's not perfect. You can just spread them around with your fingers, and when they germinate they'll pretty much sort themselves out. Anyway, after this, all you do is put the lid on. You can put it anywhere. You can put it in your cupboard even, just for 3 or 4 days, maybe 5 days, depending on the variety and how warm it is. After that, you take the lid off and you let them grow, ideally with a bit of warmth and a bit of light, and hopefully within 7 days you'll have a crop like this, which is red cabbage. You can see that's nice and thick. You'll get a nice good harvest of that, and you can see how healthy that is, and that is literally 7 days. And there are varieties that'll be taller than this. This is not a particularly tall growing variety by 7 days, but it's really consistent and thick crop. So we hope that you like our product and you like this video, and if you could, like it, share it, subscribe. We'd really appreciate your support. Thanks very much for your time.